coconut milk, guys. Very easy to make at home. It's very cheap and obviously very delicious and healthy. Alright, so what we're going to do, start off with 4 glasses of water. It's my trusty water bottle, I take it everywhere with me. And it's always filtered water, that's always best. About 4 glasses, alright? Sweet. That was an effort. Alright, now we're going to get some coconut meat. This is the coconut flesh from a fresh coconut. I've just opened the coconut, I've just used a spoon and pulled all the flesh out. Then I'm going to get some desiccated or the shredded coconut here. It's just half a cup of that. And some ice. Okay, that's it. Put the lid on top and blend for a couple of minutes. Alright, and we're ready. So, beautiful coconut milk. Now you can obviously strain it if you like. You won't really need to. This is just delicious. Full 100% coconut milk. Beautiful. Hopefully you like it.